Unlock your full artistic potential with our Sketching Masterclass, the ultimate video collection for architects and interior designers. From basics to brilliance. Learn lines, textures, and isometric forms. Master the essentials and transition to 3D magic with isometric drawing. Nature's touch. Sketching trees, plants, and captivating landscapes. Bring the outdoors in. Learn to sketch nature with realism and flair. Atmospheric allure. Set the scene for impactful sketches. Evoke emotions and tell a story through the atmosphere in your designs. Facade finesse. Capture architectural elegance in every stroke. Detail-oriented tutorials on sketching facades that turn buildings into art. Perspective mastery. All perspectives, all designs. Demystify perspectives 1-point, 2-point, 3-point for stunning sketches. Marker magic. Transform sketches into lifelike renderings. Learn to use markers for vibrant, professional architectural and interior design illustrations. Stylish sketching. Drawing furniture and landscape details. Elevate your designs with stylish furniture and intricate landscape elements. Ready to level up your sketching game? Enroll now and turn your visions into artistic masterpieces.